Good morning, 8th class children. We have to learning about the polynomials and factorization. Already I have explained the degree of the polynomial and the gene of the polynomial and the coefficients of the polynomial and the polynomial having one variable and the polynomials having two variables. Today we are doing the exercise 2.1. Find the degree of each of the polynomials following below. Here the given is s power 5 minus s power 4 plus 3. Here the degree of x is what the 5 is more. So the degree of the polynomial is 5. You have to check that which power is highest in this in the variable. Here s power 5 and s power 4 is there. The power of the x power 5 is more, so 5 is the degree of the polynomial. Here the s have given the sum here s square plus x minus 5. Here the degree of the polynomial, highest power you have to check here x. There is no power here, you have to take 1 here. Here there is no power, there is no variable. I have to take x power 0 here, so I have to check which power is highest. So here is 2 is highest, so degree of the polynomial is 2. Next one is 5. There is no variable here, but you have to take any variable power 0. So degree of the polynomial here is 0. Here take s power 0. There is no variable, so I have to take s power 0. So the degree of the polynomial is 0. Here any constant, the degree of the polynomial is 0. Next one is 3s power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. Here the degree of the polynomial is here the power is 3 and here the power is 6. So 6 is the power is higher. So we take the 6 as an answer. I have to do it. Next one is find the degree of the polynomial 4 minus y square. Here only one variable is there. The power is 1. You have to check that power and have to write here. And here the 5t minus root 3. Here the power of the t is 1, so the degree of the polynomial is 1. So next one is which of the following expressions of the following polynomials is one variable and which are not. Give reason for the answer for your answers. Example, first question is 3s square minus 2x plus 5. Here you have to check all of the variables x's are y's. Here all the variables are x. No y is there and no another variable is there. Only here x is the one variable is there. So here it is constant. Both the two terms are x square and x. Those they are one variable. So it is a polynomial in one variable. Here all are x's. So it is a polynomial of one variable because all variables are x. Next one is p square minus 3p plus q. Here it is not a polynomial of one variable because here the two variables are there p and q. So it is not a polynomial of one variable. Next one y plus 2 by y. Here actually that it is a polynomial of one variable, but I have to check it is a polynomial or not. But here it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because any polynomial does not have a negative power. Here 2 by y, here y power 1, then 1 by a power m is a power minus m. Here y is go to numerator, then it get a minus 1. So y power, so it is not a polynomial because 2 by y is equal to 2 into y power minus 1. Here the y get the negative power. So y plus 2 by y is not a polynomial. That's one. 5 root x and x root 5. Here x power, you have to remove the root. Here get 1 by 2. So here x power is 1. So all are x's. So it is a polynomial of one variable. Here x power 100 and y power 100. Here two variables are that x and y are both are different. So it is not a polynomial of one variable. I have given a worksheet for you here. Find the degree of the polynomials of the following. First one is 7s power 6 plus 5x power 5 plus 4s power 4 plus 3s cube plus 6. I have to find the degree of the polynomial, which degree is highest. Okay. Next one is find the degree of the polynomial 5s power 5 plus 4s power 4 plus 3x. And third one is x. Find the degree of the polynomial of s plus 2. And next one is find the degree of the polynomial 5 plus 1 by x. Next, second one is which of the following expressions of polynomials of one variable? You have to write, you have to see the sum and you have to write if it is a polynomial of one variable or not. First one is 3y cube plus 2y square plus 6 and another one is 3s square plus 2sy plus 4y square. Here two variables are there, so it is not a not a not a polynomial of one variable. Here it is also 4 by 4, 4 plus 3 by q plus 5. There only y's are there, so it is a polynomial of one variable. So it is not a polynomial of one variable.